Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration and volume. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. Bounded by 2x plus y equals to number 2, y axis and x axis to be revolved about x axis. B x equals to number 1 and C y equals to number 2. So now we need to wrap this function in here. So we have origin in here, x, y. So if x equal to number 0, so y equal to number 2, so we have number 2 in here. If y equal to number 0, x equal to number 1, so the number 1 in here. And now we connect 2 points in here. And we have y axis, that's about this one, x axis, that's about this one. So we just find the area in here. So I will use about green color. Now question A, they want to ask about revolve x axis. So in this situation I will copy this graph, I put in here. If they revolve about x axis, that's about this one, and they will revolve in here, and the graph should be like this. We have number 2, this is about negative number 2, we put in here, and the graph should be in the circle. And this is about the figure we need to find the. So that's about x axis. So we need to put about 2x go to the left, go to the right. So you got about negative 2x plus 2. So the volume of this situation, you got about v equals to p multiplied with the integral from 0 to number 1 to number 1, and we got about negative 2x plus 2 to the power of 2 dx, and you can find the volume in here. So go to the second one, x equals to number 1. So I copy this graph in here, x equals to number 1, that should be in here. So if we rotate, it should go like this. And the answer of this one, we need to change into x. So we have 2x plus y equals to number 2. So we got about x equals to 2 minus y divided by 2. So the answer of this one, the integral from 0 to number 2, and we have what s equal to number 1, so you got about 1 square minus 0 square dy. So later that we need to minus the area of this one from s equal to number 1 to the curve. So you got about minus b multiplied with from 0 to number 2, and we got about 1 square minus number 1 minus this curve in here, so that is about 2 minus y over 2 to the power of 2 dy, and this is the answer for this one. And the last one, that's about y equal to number 2, so I copy the graph in here. So we have y equals to number 2, that should be in here, and they want to rotate about y equals to number 2, and the graph should be like this. So the answer of this one, we got about y equal to negative 2s plus 2. So the answer for the volume in here, you got about the integral, we have p from 0 to number 1, and we have number 2 in here. We have 2 square minus 0 square, so we can find the total area in here, ds, and we have minus this area in here. We have p from 0 to 1, so we have number 2 minus this one, and that's the answer of the question.